You know, there's just something about a four-door Cougar, man. It just seems wrong to me. Oh man. Yeah, we got ourselves an 82 Cougar GS. Oh man, I got this thing on there we go. It's a little beat up, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Right, 82? Yeah, 82. Nice little love tap here. Sold new Harding Mercury Lincoln of Temple, Texas. These are like the Ford LX, still on the Fox body platform, but yeah. To me, I just preferred them when they went back back to two doors. You know. Oh wait, was this available in a two-door like this? I don't remember, but either ways, it was ugly. It smells nice though. It's kind of a rare car, I guess. You know, I mean, when do you see something like this? I mean, see, I run into the regular, you know, like the later ones. I'm just saying, 84,000 miles. This is last year. She went to 83. This smells nice. Don't stank up in here. Oh, forget that. Forget on these. Everything is right here. Oh, they're getting ready to close, I think. I hear that. Inline 6, is that remanufactured? Yeah. Just last year, wasn't it? Was that? Yeah, look at that. 6/22/21. Well, what else is there to say on this? Just thought I'd get a quick one of this. I mean, what, 3 minutes? So I'll beat the crap, but you know, kind of rare to see something like this. Mercury Cougar 4-door. Alright people, on to the next one.